Welcome to My Property Video. Why a property video? Because video marketing for real estate is the must-have solution in a highly competitive internet world. The consumption of video is increasing faster than any other online activity on devices of all kinds. Why? Because video packs in more information in a more captivating and attention-grabbing way than any medium on the internet. We live in a connected world, and the common denominator is video. What would you rather do? Search and read endless websites, or watch a video? Thumb through piles of property magazines, or watch a video? A video tour takes the potential buyer or renter to the heart of the property immediately. It offers an undistorted reality that photos and virtual tours cannot. Internet video is also easy to distribute. It can be uploaded to your own branded channel on YouTube, the world's second largest search engine. Put it up on social media such as Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Video need cost no more than conventional photography or virtual tours, but will go much further. Video means much more bang for your marketing buck. With today's HD camera technology, we can produce effective, captivating and memorable videos, adapted to your budget and the specific needs of your property. So if you want to stand out from the crowd, generate leads and reach more potential clients than ever before, join the video revolution today.